Aim to measure the pressure exerted by the water at different levels. Materials required: water, pressure gauge, colored water, a vessel, dropper, and a scale. Procedure: fill the U shaped tube of the pressure gauge with colored water up to the reading 0. Take some water in a vessel and check pressure of the liquid at the surface, middle, and bottom using pressure gauge. Now let's do it. What is chemical change? A change of materials into another with different properties is called chemical change. Burning wood, rotting of fruits, baking a cake, rusting metal, using a battery, digestion, souring milk, exploding fireworks, cooking an egg, photosynthesis are some examples for chemical change. So now let's do a simple experiment to show the chemical change using paper. Aim to find the presence of atmospheric pressure. Materials required: glass, water, a cardboard piece. Now let's do it. Atmospheric pressure acting in the upward direction balances the downward force of the water acting on the cardboard piece. The atmospheric pressure on the cardboard piece is greater than the weight of the water in the glass. Let's look how the siphon works. Immerse the end of the long pipe in the water in a bucket placed at a height. Keeping the small pipe to the outside, gently press and release the bottle 2 or 3 times. You can see water flowing from the bucket to outside. What is litmus paper? A paper which is used to indicate the acidity or alkalinity of a substance can be called as litmus paper. Blue litmus paper turns red under acid conditions and red litmus paper turns blue under alkaline conditions. Aim to find the presence of protein. Materials required: test tube, egg white, sodium hydroxide, and copper sulfate solution. Procedure: add water to egg white and stir it well. Then add 8 to 10 drops of concentrated sodium hydroxide solution and concentrated copper sulfate solution to it. Aim to find the presence of starch. Materials required: test tube, rice gruel, and diluted iodine solution. Procedure: take some rice gruel in a test tube. Add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution to it and observe the color. Let's do an experiment. A. To find the presence of hydrogen. Procedure. Take some dilute acid in a dry test tube. Put zinc metal pieces into it and shake well. Show a burning matchstick to the mouth of the test tube. A. To find the gas produced when acid reacts with carbonates. Materials required: test tube, eggshell, dilute sulfuric acid, matchstick. Procedure. Take dilute sulfuric acid in a test tube and add pieces of eggshell into it. Bring a lighted matchstick above the test tube. Eggshell, chalk, and marble contain calcium carbonate. When acid react with carbonates, carbon dioxide is produced which extinguishes fire. Rub a hibiscus flower on a piece of paper. Remove all the traces of flower after it dries. This can be called as hibiscus paper. And let's try what will happen when we squeeze 1 or 2 drops of lemon juice into this hibiscus paper. What is refraction? The bending of light when it moves from one material to another can be called as refraction. So let's do an experiment to prove this.